Hi, my name is Jennifer, and in this video, we're going to simplify square roots that have variables. So grab a pencil and some paper and work out these problems with me. Let's take a look at this problem. We have the square root of 49x to the fifth. We're going to follow what we did in the last video. So we're going to come over here to the side, and we're going to write 49x to the fifth, and we're going to make a factor tree from this. And here's what we'll do. We'll break apart the number 49 into 7 times 7, and then we'll break apart the x to the fifth by writing 5 x's. So our bottom line should equal 49x to the fifth. Now, because this is a square root problem, we're going to look at this bottom line of factors, and we're going to identify any pairs of numbers. We have a pair of sevens, or sometimes I call them twins sevens. We also have a pair of x's and another pair of x's. Here's how we're going to write our final answer. We're going to represent each set of twins on the outside of our radical. So we have a set of sevens times a set of x's times another set of x's. Then we're going to draw our radical symbol, and any number or variable that does not have a partner stays inside the radical. Notice that we have an x at the very end that doesn't have a partner. It will stay on the inside of the radical. Now for our final step, we'll go ahead and multiply these numbers on the outside. 7 times x is 7x squared radical x. So the square root of 49x to the fifth is simplified as 7x squared times radical x. Let's do one more problem. What is the square root of 75, a to the fourth, b to the fifth? The first thing I want you to do is to take that expression and write out a factor tree. First, we can break down 75 as 25 times 3. We can break 25 down to 5 times 5, and then we'll bring down our 3. Next, let's take a look at our variables. We have a to the fourth. A to the fourth means that there's 4 a's multiplied together. We also have b to the fifth, which means that there's 5 b's multiplied together. Next, since this is a square root problem, we're going to be looking for partners of numbers that are the same, or I call them twins. Notice we have a set of twin fives. We also have a set of a's, another set of a's, and we have 2 sets of b's. Now we're ready to start building our answer. We're going to represent each one of these sets of problems. Now we're ready to start building our answer. We're going to represent each of our sets of twins on the outside of our radical. We have a set of 5s, so we'll write a 5. We have 2 sets of a's, so we'll write a down twice. And we have 2 sets of b's, so we'll write b twice. Next, we'll draw a radical sign, and any number or variable that does not have a partner, it stays inside of the radical. We have a 3 and we have a b. The last step is we'll multiply these numbers on the outside of the radical. 5 times A times A times B times B is 5A squared B squared radical 3B. So our final answer to this problem is 5A squared B squared times the radical 3B. Now, if you have any questions about this topic, please contact your professor or stop by the Math Tutoring Lab or watch this video again.